What's up, everybody? All right, today we're going to, well, first of all, thank you. This is Cooking with Chef Pup. We always bring you the good stuff. Forgot to say that. But anyway, today we're doing sous vide honey garlic chicken breast. All right, very simple dish, very easy ingredients. So let me get the ingredients all set up, and I shall be right back. Okay, everybody. Simple ingredients. First of all, we're making the marinade. Okay. All the ingredients will be in the description or in the notes. All right, very simple. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ingredients. All right, but here's a little trick. This is honey. All right, I sprayed it with some Pam cooking spray where it comes out real easy, nice and easy. All right, because I don't want to leave nothing behind. Right. Get all my honey out of there. Right. I got the honey. All right. Now I'm gonna add my lemon juice, some acid, soy sauce, some garlic. Oh, I gotta get all my garlic out of here. Right. Black pepper. And some red pepper flakes. You can put anything you want to put in it. Make it your own, like I always say. And give it a nice, good mix. All right. Now, what I'm going to do with this, I'm gonna add it to a bowl with the chicken, and I'm gonna marinate it. All right, so when I start to add the chicken to it, I'll be right back. All right, welcome back, everybody. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I have all my clean chicken breasts in here, washed and cleaned and trimmed. All right, so now I'm gonna marinate my chicken. Just pour it all in there, all that goodness. All right. And just get in there with your hands. Just get in there. Now remember, you're not gonna get rid, after you marinate, you're not gonna get rid of the marinade, okay? You are not going to do that. But I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about a half an hour. Half an hour overnight is better. All right. And we will continue on with the process after this chicken is marinated. So I shall return. Welcome back. All right, the sous vide honey garlic chicken breast. All right, I've been marinating for about half an hour. All right, now I have to figure out, if you can look over here, this is the sous vide machine. All right, it's already set at 160 degrees. I'm gonna cook them at 160 degrees for 1 hour. All right, but I need to find out how many bags I'm gonna need for these breasts to go into. All right, so far we got one. I'm not gonna count them out. All right, I got 10 chicken breasts. I have 10. All right, so I'm gonna need 2 bags at least, five apiece, airtight bags. So when I get the bags ready, I shall return. Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, this is the honey garlic sauce for the chicken. All right, right now the chicken's in the sous vide machine for 1 hour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm making a slurry here. Cornstarch and water. Let me mix this up because I want to thicken that sauce up. All right. A little out of breath there. Excuse me. Well. I'm gonna add the slurry to the pot. All right, and I'm gonna constantly stir it until it thickens. All right. Actually, I'm gonna turn the heat off. And she thickened up a whole lot. All right, I'm gonna move it off the stove here. All right, but I don't like it this thick. I don't like it this thick, so I'm gonna add a little water to it. Just a little water. Not a lot. Bring it back to the heat. Just a little bit more water. All right, that looks pretty good to me right there, the sauce. That is good. That is good. All right, so the sauce is done. I'm gonna remove it from the heat. And once the chicken is done, I'm gonna sear the chicken off. And then I'm gonna coat it with the sauce, and this dish will be complete. So I shall return. What's up, everybody? Okay, the chicken breasts are done. They're done in the sous vide machine. So you just, when you remove these sous vide chicken out, be very careful because it's piping hot. All right, they cook for at 160 degrees for 1 hour. That's all it took. And the most tenderest chicken breast you will ever eat. Believe me. All right, so what I'm going to do is just remove the juice from the bag itself. There was no fat on the chicken breast, but when you do sous vide, it's rendered back into the meat, and you'll never see it. I gotta get my tongs, so it's very hot. Right. I did not put no seasoning on these chickens, none at all. I only marinated them. Excuse me, I marinated them. That's all I did. But I didn't. No salt, no pepper. Everything was in the marinade. Okay. Get out the way. I have one more bag to do. Right. That's very hot. All right. Once again, get rid of the juice. Don't need it. All right. Now all I have to do now is pat these dry. And then I'm gonna sear them off. Give it a nice good color. They might not look pretty right now, but they definitely will. All right, so when I finish patting these dry, we're gonna sear them off. So I shall return. All right, everybody. Okay, chicken breasts all dried off. This sous vide honey garlic chicken breast. Now I'm gonna sear them off. All I'm doing is giving them color. I'm not cooking them because they're already cooked already. So, but chicken breast, when you sous vide, oh my God, the flavor is the texture. It's 5-star. It's just 5-star. All right, just remember, I'm just giving them color. All I'm doing. And I can actually smell the garlic. I can smell the soy sauce. Oh. I can smell it. It smells very delicious. It's gonna taste delicious. You know what? I'm just gonna pull a piece of chicken here. Yeah. You can eat them just like this. Oh, it tastes so good. See, I'm just trying to give it some color. Oops, okay. I'm not trying to cook them because they're already cooked. All right. They look good. And they taste good. And then after I do this, I am going to hit it with the sauce. I'm going to hit it with the sauce and coat them all with the sauce. So I shall return when I finish giving them color. I shall return. Be right back. All right. Now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to, since the chicken is still hot, I'm going to place them into the sauce, coat them, and remove them. And I'm going to put them on a serving platter. So I have a serving platter right here. All right, so I'm going to start adding the chicken breast and just get them nice and coated. All right. Coat takes a long way. Let me turn these over. All right. You can actually turn it off. All right. Got pieces for me. Remember, the chef always did his. Always remember that. And you should make enough to, matter of fact, I did double up on the recipe, but everything will be in the notes. And I've got two last pieces to do here. Oh yeah, get it all. All right, so here we go. This is Sous Vide honey garlic chicken breast, but the taste is in the pudding. Remember that. So sure I get my camera wife. Here's her fork. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very moist, very tenured. It's not dry. My camera wife, she's gonna have the first taste. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yes. Now, when you severe your food, it doesn't dry your food out. It makes your food much more moister. That's a word. All right. It's very elegant. It's very nice. All right. So I'm going to leave the video as here and try the recipe. All the ingredients will be in the notes. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And ring the bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you and have a wonderful day.